And this is how you fill a barrel. With you sit in your chair and you use your rake. And I got the barrel turned sideways because I ran out of trash bags. And I haven't been to the store yet. I've had people over here messing with me. I don't know where Abel went. He was helping me. And now he's took off somewhere. So you just sit here and you rake it. I'm hurting real bad from doing that corner. That corner looks good. It looks real good. And it should pass. I used to be the code enforcement officer in this town. And you know what? That will pass. And my yard wasn't that bad. My yard should have passed. But oh, crap is falling out. Well, I just get my handy dandy broom and my handy dandy. Oh, I fell over. I thought he was going to pick it up for me. Guess not. I'm not in a good mood right now. After what happened a little bit ago. Stole my cell phone. And I am going to name her Carolina Windsor. She's been harassing me for a long while now. And I think this is bullshit. My own husband won't get out here and help me. Okay, I got my broom and my dustpan. And I'm going to take me a shovel. Put shovelfuls out of here into the dumpster. That's how I'm going to do it. Use a shovel to empty that into the dumpster.